About this item, iMah BT162342 BT262342 2.4 V300 mAh NIMH, type, AAA*2, also replace of original battery BT183342 BT283342 BT262342 BT262342 BT162342 BT262342 2SN AAA40HSX2 come with two iMah B1-3 cordless phone battery packs and save money to purchase new phones. Buy with confidence. Batteries are printed with manufacturing date, not expiration date. For 24 months after the date of purchase, we iMah Direct take care of all quality related issues. Do please kindly check the compatible lists to make sure the right size and right connector compatible with VTech telephone models, CS6114, CS61241, CS6199, CS6309, CS6319, CS6328, CS6329, CS6400, CS6409, CS6419, CS6429, CS6449, CS6509, CS6519, CS6529, CS6609, CS6619, CS6629, CS6649, CS6709, CS6719, CS6729, CS6829, CS6859, CS8010, CS8